Meaning of hay diet.
Hay diet.
Hay diet.
Hay diet.
Hay diet. The hay diet, also known as food combining, is a dietary theory developed by Dr. William Howard Hay in the early 20th century. It suggests that certain foods should not be consumed together, as they require different digestive environments and can lead to poor digestion and health issues. The hay diet involves categorizing foods into three groups: alkaline, acidic, and neutral. It recommends that meals should consist of either alkaline or neutral foods, and not mix acidic foods with other types. While some individuals claim to have benefited from the hay diet, there is limited scientific evidence to support its effectiveness.